Okay. So we're just trying to identify everybody in the car, so write everybody information down, so we can say, hey, we talked to such and such and such and such.
All I said was don't harass the homeless.
Sir, do you have your driver's license with you?
No, I don't.
Do you have ID on you? Hey, so I'm going to ask for your information, okay? If you'd like to tell me about your name or anything like that, you understand it's a criminal offense, okay?
Have I committed a crime?
I'm simply said I'd ask for your information.
Do I have to give it? Because, I mean, I haven't...
They said there was some yelling and screaming out of the car, so I'm not saying you have to give it. I don't know what all happened. Another officer heard it and said, hey, it was this car, I heard this coming from that car. So...
They had a homeless dude over there on a bicycle, and all I said was don't harass the homeless.
Okay.
That's all I said. There wasn't no yelling and screaming.
Okay. Well, that's what they said.
Okay.
They said they heard some profanities being yelled from the vehicle.
So, that's a lie.
I don't know. I wasn't there. They had their body cameras on and recorded at the time, so that'll be up to them. I don't know. The officer that actually heard this is on his way over here.
Okay.
So we're just trying to identify everybody in the car, so write everybody information down, so we can say, hey, we talked to such and such and such and such, and both subjects said there was nothing took place like this. Simply have to do it for our paperwork to document exactly what happened. Because at the end of the day, I have to do paperwork. Well, actually, this officer over here will. That I say we talked to you and her, and this is what y'all told us. Okay?
We did.
Okay, I really don't want to give my information.
Okay. That's fine. That's up to you for now. I'll let that other officer talk to you when he gets here, okay?
All right, thank you. All I said was don't harass the homeless.
That's all right.
Here's our stuff back.
Thank you, sir.
We were just trying to check on y'all, make sure that there wasn't something going on. The other officer, he said that he heard some yelling, and he wanted to make sure that there was no fighting or anything going on between you two in here.
Sir.
We were really checking on both
Our
of you.
safety, yeah, okay. Well, yeah, thank you, I appreciate that. No, thank you, I appreciate that. If we were, arguing, I would appreciate that.
Right. Like I said, I mean, somebody driving down the road yelling stuff out the window of the car is not very...
We were actually at the red light when
I'm sorry?
We were right there at the red light coming out when I said it. All I said was don't harass the homeless. So
Gotcha.
if somebody yelled something after that, it wasn't me. So I don't know.
Well, he said that he saw somebody from in here wave their arms out the window or something, heard the yelling from this car. So like I said, we just want to check on you and make sure you're okay.
Well, thank you, I appreciate that.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You have any questions?
No, sir.
Can I get y'all's names and badge numbers?
Officer Lewis, badge number's 116. That's Officer Miller, and he'll tell you his badge number.
188.
188?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right,
We got
thank
your
you.
information too, Jemiah. Sorry. Mr. Payne, is that right?
What's that?
Is it Mr. Payne's your last name? Okay. Well, we got your information. We'll
Yeah,
document
you got it
for
off
you.
the tag, I know.
Yeah. I mean, pretty easy, pretty simple.
Yeah.
No, that's not. Okay, y'all have any other questions?
Actually,
No, sir.
Alrighty,
Thank
y'all,
you.
y'all be
Safe.
careful tonight, okay?
Thank you, you too. You be
Alrighty.
safe. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Was there an actual lawful reason to stop us?
Oh, God.
Explain it to me, we did check welfare on you.
Stop, Jeremiah.
We paid your wife